If you need some extra money, watch this whole video because I'm about to show you guys some side hustles that you can start today to earn you $100 a day in 2020. What it do, hustlers? It's your boy Drell here, coming at you with another video today. And in this video right here, I'm gonna be showing you guys some side hustles that you can start today to earn you some money. Now, these are some things that I do myself, so I know they work. So make sure that you watch this whole video. And if you're new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe to join the gang of hustlers. Man, I just made this channel to help you guys out, to spread knowledge, to uplift the black community, because we don't have too many outlets like this. Like, I know when I first started out in business, I didn't have any black YouTubers to look up to teaching me this kind of stuff or anything like that. So I had to learn it by myself. So I just want to spread some knowledge to you guys to help you guys earn some money. Now, let's get right into this video. So the first side hustle that you can start is flipping phones. Now, I'm about to just take you guys into my phone so I can show you guys the app that I use for this and everything like that. So let's hop right into it. Alright, man, so I'm on my phone right now, and as you can see, I'm on an app called OfferUp. So that's the app. It's called OfferUp, right? And what you want to do is you want to flip old phones. So I got another phone right here, right? So let's say you got an old phone. You can start with your old phone, and you could just post it on here for like $100 or so. It depends on the type of phone you got. So this right here, right? This is an iPhone 6 Plus. So these go for like $120. So let's say you got an old phone, you want to go in here and flip your old phone, and then another thing that you can do, another thing that I do all the time is that I just go in here and I type in like iPhone 6, right? For example, iPhone 6, and I just go in here and I lowball everybody, right? So if you got some cash on hand, this works extremely well because, so this one is $60, right? Let's see, $80 for iPhone 6. What I would do, right, this a new condition and everything like that. So if you find a good phone, right, what I do is I lowball them, right? So they're saying $80 right here, right? What I do is I be like $50 today. So a lot of people, right, they just want to get rid of their old phone. So if you be like $50 today, chances are they'll actually take you up on that offer because they just wanted to get rid of it. They just want the quick cash. So that's what I go ahead and do. That's how I get phones for very, very cheap. I just be like $50 today, $100 today. So whatever the price is, let's go to another one, for example. Let's see. This one is $120, right? And as you can see, it says everything works, no cracks, no passwords, not iCloud lock. So this is a good phone. I'm gonna actually make an offer on this myself. So all you want to do, right, is hit ask, and then you want to be like, so they're offering $120 for this phone, right? What I do is I do $90 today. Let's actually change this up. I would be like, would you do $90 today? Boom. Send that message. Hey, I just wanted to check in real quick. As you can see about the flipping phones thing, I offered him $90. He said yes, he can do it. So that just goes to show you that the flipping phones thing, you can offer them for a cheaper price and they'll actually take you up on that offer, and then you can flip the phone for a higher price. That's just proof that it works right here. So that's actually a side hustle that I do myself. I just go in here every once in a while. I don't do this every single day because I be focused on other things, but like once or twice a week I go in here and I lowball everybody. Like everybody, like even with the iPhone 7s, 8s, X's, just lowball them. Be like, let's say they're offering it for $300, be like $250 today, $240 today, and make sure that you have the cash on hand so that you can go ahead and buy the phone. And then once you actually get the phone, right, you want to flip it for $300 that they was asking for. So you just made $60 profit, $50 profit. So on that phone right there, if he actually give it to me for $90, I would sell it for the $120 that he's offering. So that's $30 profit right there just from flipping phones. It's very, very simple to do. No matter where you're at in the world, you could do this. Just download the app OfferUp and you can start flipping phones, man. It's very, very simple. And you can actually sell the phones on eBay, so you don't have to meet up with people in person. You're gonna have to meet up with them in person to actually get the phone, but you can sell it online on eBay, and there's multiple other websites that you can sell it on. So that's side hustle number one, is flipping phones. Now side hustle number two is gonna be flipping shoes. Now I just showed you guys how to flip phones. You can flip shoes as well, especially Jordans, Yeezys, like Air Maxes, some Air Maxes, all like popular shoes. You want to go for popular shoes. Now I actually got a shoe right here. So as you can see, I got the Just Do It box. These are actually the brands that just came out. If I got a scissor, I'll actually open it up for you guys. But these are the brands that just came out like Saturday, I believe. And I actually bought these shoes. Let me try to open it real quick. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually flip these shoes. So I bought these shoes for like $220, right? I bought these shoes for $220 and they're currently going for over $300. So that's an $80 profit margin right there. Now that's only if I sell it locally. You want to try to sell the shoes locally and the phones locally as well, so that you can meet up with them in person, so there's no fees. If you sell it online, it's going to be a fee. But if you sell it online, that's cool too. You could just ship it in the box that it came in. That's what I usually do. If I sell it online, right, if I buy the shoes, it come in the box already. All I do is I take the shoes out, I take some pictures of them, and then I ship them in the same box. I just retape it up. That's all I do when I ship the shoes online. Now you can use a website called StockX. You can use eBay. There's multiple different websites that you can sell the shoes online. But like I said, they're gonna take some of the profit margin out, but it is what it is, man. And you probably like, yo, Drill, how do you actually find which shoes is gonna be the best to resell when they're coming out and all of that good stuff? So for this, I gotta take you guys inside my computer right now. Alright, man, so as you can see, I'm on a website called StockX. So this is where we're gonna see if the shoes are gonna be profitable or not. This is where we're gonna see when they actually come out and all of that good stuff, right? So remember the website called StockX. So all you want to do, right, is you want to scroll down and you can see the brands right here. So these are the shoes that I just bought that was in that box that I showed you guys. Now you want to scroll down and you can see like the price on them. The retail price was $220, so this is what I paid for them, and you can see the prices on them. Let's actually scroll back up real quick so you can see the lowest ask is $293. You can search it by size. Let me scroll down the sizes. So as you can see, size 9 is $293, $293, $292, $290, $292 as well. So they're going for about like, let's say like $270 to $290 or something like that. So that's like a $50 to $70 profit margin on the shoes that I just bought if I go ahead and sell them now. But I'm gonna actually wait a little while. So that's another thing that you could do, is you could wait a little while and wait for the shoes to go up, because right now everybody is selling the shoes because everybody just got the shoes. The shipments are coming in. Like I just got mine yesterday, right? So everybody's trying to sell the shoes right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait probably about a month or two, and then I'm gonna sell the shoes, because the shoes are gonna be priced higher, because not everybody's gonna be selling it at that time. The people that are selling it now. So if I wait another month or two, it's not gonna be too many people selling it. So that's why the prices is gonna go up in like a month or two. But let me show you guys how to find the release dates and everything. So here's the release calendar. You guys just keep scrolling down, and they got the Yeezys. So this was a shoe that I mentioned earlier. You want to sell Yeezys, Jordans. So let's click on this Yeezy real quick. And as you can see, the last sale was $350. Let's look at the retail price. So the retail price is $300. So I'm not sure if you should go for these. You could get a little bit of money off of these, but it's not gonna be much, right? Because as you can see, the retail price is at $300, and then the trade range is only $330 to $370. So you're not gonna make that much money off of these. Let's actually try to find a better example. But here's a shoe that we can actually flip and make some money off of, right? So these off-white Dunk Lows, right? Let's actually click on them so that you can see, so I can give you guys a good example. So let's scroll down. So as you can see, the retail price on these is $170, right? And if you scroll up, the last sale was $620. That's like almost a $500 profit margin. And if you look at the sizes, right, you can see that they're selling for over $600. And the retail price, that's the price that you're gonna be paying for them, is only at $170. You gotta add like tax, which is like $10, so $180. But the resale price on them, is over $600, $500 for some sizes. You gotta get the right size. As you can see, it depends on the size. So like the smaller sizes go for a little more, and then the more like 10.5, they go for a little less. So you gotta pick the right sizes when you're checking out. But either way, even if you get like the size 11, you still gonna be making a couple $100s in profit. So this is another side hustle that you can do. It doesn't take too much time. All you have to do is be on the website when they actually come out. So a couple websites that you can go on is like Nike.com, Finish Line, Foot Locker. There's all the shoe stores. Like, you just gotta do your research on the shoe, because every website is not gonna have every shoe. So you just gotta do your research and be on the website when they come out. Most shoes come out at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So just be on the website and check out as fast as possible. But that's another side hustle that you can do, is flipping shoes. As you saw earlier, I got a box right here. I'm about to flip those shoes. I'm doing this as well, so you can get started with it. Now the third side hustle that I want to cover in this video is affiliate marketing. So what you're going to do with this is you're going to build up a niche Instagram account, and like the spirituality niche, the health and fitness niche, the make money online niche, the relationship niche. One of those niches, right? You want to pick one, and you want to build a niche Instagram account. So you're not going to be showing your face. All you're going to be doing is posting like just simple photos on your Instagram account, and then in the link in your bio, you're going to be affiliate marketing. You're going to be promoting like a ClickBank product, an Amazon product, something like that. But I'm gonna actually give you guys an example of this. So let me pull up my phone again. All right, man, so as you can see, I'm on one of my Instagram accounts. It's called Daily Motivational 8, and this account I'm doing affiliate marketing on. So you can create a similar account to this, or you can be in another niche, like I said earlier, the health and fitness niche. Whatever you're really interested in, you can create an account in that niche. But my page isn't loading right now. But basically, once this page loads, all right, man, the page finally loaded. It took like 5 minutes to load my Instagram. Make sure that you hit the like button if you're getting value out of this video, and make sure that you subscribe to the channel as well. But let's get back into it. So as you can see, the type of content that I'm posting on this Instagram is this stuff like type yes if you agree, just motivational type stuff, right? And then if you click the link in this bio, it has a product related to this page. So you can go on a website called clickbank.com, and you can find a product to promote. You just want to go in your niche, and then they got all of these different types of products that you can promote. And once they watch this video, a button is going to pop up, and if they purchase the program, I get a commission for that. So every single sale, I get like $25 in commission for promoting someone else's program. So this is not my program, this is someone else's. I'm just promoting it, and I'm getting a commission for it. They handle all the customer service and everything like that. So if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I'll leave a link in the description below to one of my other videos that talks about affiliate marketing. And if you want to learn how to grow on Instagram and how to monetize your Instagram accounts, I'll leave some videos down below for those as well, because I made some videos explaining how we got like 25,000 followers in 2 months on Instagram. As you can see, Black Hustlers Club, go follow us if you haven't already. But I hope that you found this video valuable, man. If you did, drop a like on the video, comment down below any questions you have, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I'm out, bruh.